Which animal has the longest pregnancy? Ano nga ba? Siguro elephant. Uy, tama, elephant nga. How many heart does an octopus have? Di ko na sure pero 3 yata. O diba 3 nga? Ang galing ko talaga manghula. Which planet has the most gravity? Napag-aralan namin to dati Jupiter yan. O diba baka best in science to?
Hindi totoo yan.
Balita ko may quiz battle daw dito sa WePlay. Tara, subukan natin.
Suluhin mo yan!
Who was the first Filipino to compete in the Winter Olympics? Basic, syempre si Michael Martinez. Bigyan mo naman ako ng mahirap na question.
Gusto mo nang manahimik, ha?
Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? Syempre camel yung nasa desyerto. O diba? Basic. What is the name of the oldest church located in Cebu City? Wait, alam ko to. Basilica Minor del Santo Niño. Grabe, ang talino ko na talaga. Which Filipino dish consists of marinated raw fish or seafood mixed with vinegar, ginger, and onion? Ah, kilawin yan. O diba? Di nyo kinaya. Kaya kung feeling mo matalino ka, maglaro ka na rin ng quiz battle dito sa WePlay. Hi mga ka-WePlay, gusto nyo din bang magamit ang play show na ito? Just open WePlay and send only WePlay to the judge. And tada! You can enjoy it now. Enjoy playing WePlay.